Hi guys, I will show you how to activate the child lock in Volvo XC40. In vehicles equipped with electric child lock, you will find this button on the driver's control panel. When you press it, first of all you will see this red LED here, and you will also see a message on the instrument panel saying that rear child lock is activated. This means that the rear doors are blocked from the inside and you only will be able to open them from the outside. Now I won't be able to open it from the inside, both doors, the left and the right. This is done as a safety measure so that your child won't accidentally fall out of the vehicle. Again guys, you won't open it from the inside, only from the outside. To deactivate the child lock, you simply need to press this button again. And on the instrument panel, you will see that rear child lock is deactivated. Depending on the trim of your Volvo XC40, you may not have electric child locks, instead you'll have manual ones. This is the icon and the opening that you guys will have to use. It's located on each of the rear doors. In our case it does not work because we have electric child locks, but if you don't have that, then you will have to remove the physical key from your smart key. You will have to insert it inside like this, and then you'll have to turn it clockwise, and then this door will be blocked as well. And you have to do the same procedure for each of the rear doors. This will ensure that the child lock is active, and when you want to deactivate it, again insert it inside and turn it counterclockwise. I'm just simulating it right now, but this is how it will work in your case. You have to use this physical key.